First pickup in the snow. I'm in Chicago. I hate the snow, bro. Let's go get this. Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on, buddy? Try that number.
169007. Taking this load down to Miami. Get about this snow. I got 2 weeks till I'm home. Baby on the way. It's deja vu. I think I'm back against it. I can't tell. Let's just double check. That should be good. This is one of them pickups or drop-offs that I'm gonna try to just go to sleep and hopefully they take like 2 hours because I don't care. I am in no rush to get to Florida right now. I got 2 days. It's fine. It's fine. Please don't knock on my door.